so we're here with the Amazon Warriors at Snowfest at the Town of Georgina ROC, and Herc and Zena are going to have a little competition here to see who can go the highest.
Apparently somebody left a hammer around to play with. So Herc's got to get down on it. So
what are the options here? We have Softy, Wimp, Girly Man, Sissy, Lucky, or Beast. Which will it be? Oh, just past Sissy.
Lucky, that's all. Is that all?
Not
really?
quite Lucky,
Come
just
on.
past Sissy.
Thought they said it's for kids.
Come on, 3 tries, warm it up. Oh, he's at Lucky.
Come on.
Come on, you can make Beast on your 3rd try. Tough guy.
So I don't hurt the cage.
Take a run at it, do what you gotta do, make Beast. Oh, okay.
Come on. Well, if you think you can do better, get on down here to the ROC and you beat Hercules' score. Anytime you're ready.
Come on, give it to Zena, let's see what she can do.
Well, now we're gonna have to see what Zena's got. So, you know, after all that talk, I'm gonna have to keep up a little bit with the talk. Not much, just a little.
If I go past like Wimp, I'm doing good, right?
No, you're Zena. Oh, Lucky, the first shot. Apparently, when you have God blood, it doesn't really matter when you're up against a warrior princess. Oh, that's 2 in a row. 2 in a row, matching Hercules blow for blow. Oh, match for match. There is absolutely no difference in the sexes, ladies and gentlemen. Hercules and Zena, blow for blow at the ROC Snowfest right now.